Tesla Semi gets new product launch as mass manufacturing hits Plaid Mode. The Tesla Semi is getting a new production launch as mass manufacturing on the all-electric truck is gearing up to hit Plaid Mode. Tesla has introduced a game-changing addition to its commercial charging lineup with the new 125 kilowatts base charger for Semi, launched this week as part of the new Semi Charging for Business program. This compact unit is purpose-built for depot and overnight charging of Tesla Semi trucks, while the 1.2 megawatts megacharger handles quick 30-minute en route boosts. The base charger serves as a reliable overnight solution for longer dwell times at warehouses, distribution centers, fleet yards, and even potentially homes. Our new 125 kilowatts base charger is designed for longer dwell times and overnight charging of semis. It's the home charging for heavy-duty fleets. It features a fully integrated design that eliminates the need for a separate AC to DC cabinet, simplifying installation, delivering up to 60% of the Semi's range in roughly 4 hours. Perfect for overnight top-ups during mandated driver rest periods or while trucks are loaded or unloaded. Its fully integrated design eliminates the need for bulky separate AC to DC cabinets. Tesla engineers tucked one of the power modules from a V4 supercharger cabinet directly inside the sleek post, resulting in a compact footprint. It also features a 6-meter cable for layout flexibility. This is one thing that must have been learned through the V4 supercharger rollout. Installation and operating costs drop dramatically thanks to daisy chaining. Up to 3 base chargers can share a single 125 kVA breaker, slashing electrical infrastructure requirements. The unit outputs 150 amps continuous across an 180 to 1000 VDC range, matching the Semi's high-voltage architecture while supporting the MCS 3.2 standard. Tesla Semi sends clear message to diesel rivals with latest move. Priced from $40,000 for a minimum order of 2 units, the base charger is far more affordable than the $188,000 megacharger setup for 2 posts. Deliveries begin in early 2027. Buyers also receive Tesla's full network-level software, remote monitoring, maintenance, and a guaranteed 97% or higher uptime critical for fleet reliability. This launch arrives as Tesla accelerates high-volume semi-production at its Nevada factory, targeting 50,000 units annually. By pairing affordable depot charging with ultra-fast highway options, Tesla removes one of the biggest obstacles to electrifying Class 8 trucking: infrastructure cost and complexity. Fleet operators stand to gain lower electricity rates during off-peak hours, dramatically reduced maintenance compared to diesel, and quieter yards at night. The base charger isn't just another charger, it's the practical bridge that makes large-scale electric semi-adoption economically viable. With the base charger handling home duties and megachargers powering the road, Tesla is delivering a complete ecosystem that could finally tip the scales toward zero-emission freight. For trucking companies ready to go electric, the future just got a whole lot more charger-friendly. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.